Okay, Gabrielle, we're going to tell everyone how we got our garden to look as beautiful as this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take everything off first. And let's show our whole garden, our nice green grass. Okay, now when we cut the whole garden into half, what did we get when we cut the whole into a half?
Well, we got one half.
One half, right?
Yeah.
And one half of the whole garden, we're just going to put this half piece, one half, and we're going to put that into the garden plot, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, if we cut the half piece, half plot into a half, what do we then get?
1/4.
1/4, right?
Yes.
And that was your apples. So see if we fit that right over one half like that. It's almost exactly half of the corn, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to put this over here like that, because I don't think it goes like this, right? No. It goes like this. Okay. Then if we cut one half of the apples, one half of the apples in half. So what's one half of 1/4?
1/8.
1/8. Very good. Where's that piece? That's this. 1/8. And on there, what did you draw on there, Gabrielle?
Pumpkins.
Those are your pumpkins. Okay. So we're going to put the pumpkin garden plot over there. Now, what's one half of 1/8?
1/16.
1/16. Very good. 1/16. That's this plot here. And what did you draw on there? Okay, I think your brother did that one. Mango trees. I think he did that one. I forget which way you guys cut that. I'm going to put it like that. Okay, and then what is one half of 1/16 now? One over, remember, you're doubling that denominator. You're doubling that bottom number because we're cutting in half. So what's 16 and 16? I'll help you. 16 and 16 is 32. So 1 over 32. Remember, you wrote that. 1 over 32. And what is this? What fruit is that you put in the garden?
Orange.
Oh, those are oranges. So we're going to put the orange trees over here. That's 1 over 32. And if we cut that garden plot in half, then what do we get? 32 and 32 is 2 and 2 is
64.
Good girl. So 1 over 64. What's happening to the pieces?
They're getting lower.
Smaller. They're getting smaller and smaller, right?
Yeah.
So 164. What's that? What vegetable or fruit is that?
Pear.
A pear. So that's a pear tree, or that's the symbol for the pear tree, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think I have these pieces right, but it's a whole piece of paper. Now, last but not least, 1 over 64. And half of 1 over 64 would be
128.
1 over 100. 1 over 128, right? And that's it. So that's our garden pieces. Those are our fractional pieces for our garden. And tell everyone again what happens to the pieces as we kept cutting the pieces of paper in half. What was happening to the garden plots?
They get smaller and smaller.
Smaller and smaller. So that means if this little piece here, this broccoli, is 1 over 128, or 1/128th of the garden, that means we need 128 of those plots just to make up this whole garden, right?
Yes.
Okay. Great job. You did well.